Hello everyone, it's such a beautiful day today in London and I'm on my way to my book event in Huckletree, Soho. Today is the 5th of May 2022 and I'm really excited. Let's see how it goes. I'm at the Liverpool Street Station, and making the transfer to the Central Line. I'm at the Tottenham Court Road at the moment and on my way to Soho. It's very sunny and beautiful day. Chinatown, it's just so beautiful and colorful. Such a lovely bookshop here on the way. I couldn't resist to record it. And I just arrived at my destination, Huckletree, Soho. I just finished my talk at Huckletree, Soho today. We were about like 10 people. We talked about diversity and inclusion and about my book as well. I really liked the way that we connected with each other, exchanged ideas and enjoyed the talk, and it was very well moderated by Claudine. And I have to say I'm very happy how it turned out, and I would really like to do more things at Huckletree in Soho again. And so that's my feelings for today. Right now is very happy, very excited.